Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandhya Savanth. For today's video, I'm going to share this lemon inspired eye makeup tutorial, and here I'll be using an eyeshadow palette from Carnival XL Pro, and this is a very colorful eyeshadow palette, so it has very beautiful colors in it. Let's see how to create this and watch this video till the end to know how to create this eye makeup look. So I have created this look with shades like green and yellow with a glitter liner, and I hope even you are loving it. Definitely comment and let me know how you like this colorful eye makeup look, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account for more updates. And let's get to the tutorial now. First, I'm going to use this peach color using a brush from MORPHE M321. So here I'm going only on my crease area, and to give it a sharp wing, I am here sticking a tape on my outer corner. I'm picking up a brown shade and going over the peach color and using a black shade now, and just below the brown shade, I want to blend all the three colors. So I'm using a brush from MORPHE M433, and this is a blending brush, and I'm here blending all the three colors only on my crease. Here you can see how nicely these colors have blended. I will go ahead and cut my crease using a concealer from Makeup Studio in EP001, and for the brush, I'm using a flat brush from MORPHE M224, and here firstly I'll be just drawing the borders for my crease. And using a Vaseline with the help of Q-tip, I'm going ahead and cleaning my eyelid. Here I'll start filling up the concealer on the border first. And I'm here drawing a line from the corner of my V area towards my eyelid and filling up the concealer. Quickly I'm picking up yellow shade using a flat eyeshadow applicator brush and applying it on the drawn area. And now I'll go back and fill up the concealer on my eyelid with the same flat brush. Okay, now I'm here picking up a green shade and applying it next to the yellow shade and blending it towards the inner area. So again, I am picking up the same yellow shade and applying it on my inner V area and going ahead and blending yellow and green using a blending brush. Next up, I'm here picking up a shimmer gold shade for my brow bone and just going over a few strokes and blending it. For the glitter liner, here I'm using Urban Decay glitter liner in gold and gently giving the crease bit more a bright and glittery look, and I'm here differentiating yellow and green shade by drawing a liner. Okay, so next I'll go ahead and apply mascara, and the mascara is from Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex Mascara. Here I'm coating nicely on my lashes. So now removing the tape here, you guys can see the sharp wing by itself. For my lower lash line, here I'm picking up the same green eyeshadow first and blending it on my lower lash line, and next yellow shade and blending it together. And we are done, guys. Here is the completed look. Hope you like this lemon inspired eye makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In that way you'll be notified. You can follow me on my Instagram account. You'll find my socials link in the description box below. And I do upload videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, so stay tuned for more beauty related videos, and do check out my other tutorials which can be helpful for you. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.